All right, I'm putting a new battery in this 20. What is this thing? A 2018? No, 20. Oh no, 2008. I think it was 2008. 2018. RZR 800. This is the battery it comes with. These are like fucking $90 to $120, and they just go out. They go out too fast. They only last like a year because you don't use them enough. You don't keep this thing running, and then you gotta make sure you have a solar maintainer. And this thing actually saved it. I popped this seal off and added water because it was low, and it kind of revived it enough to get it cranked over. And then this solar maintainer that I plugged to here, kept it alive. And so we got another year out of it, and it was already in here when Patty bought this thing like 3 years ago. So we were able to keep this thing surviving for 3 years, already being old. But this battery from Walmart, it's only $35. It's the lawnmower battery. These things will last like 4 years. And even if it only lasts a year, $35 to replace it compared to fucking $90 when these things sometimes only last a year is way better. And it's so much cheaper. I didn't realize you do need a core for these. You do need a core to exchange for these. It's a $12 core, so I got to take that back in. These work great because I actually put one of these in... one each in the Sea-Doos, and those are 650 cc's or something. It was a tight fit. The factory batteries of the Sea-Doos are about this big, but yeah, I'm putting one in here. They worked great in the Sea-Doos. I didn't give a shit. I guess you're supposed to only put the specific type for the Sea-Doo. I'm like, fuck that. It worked fine. But yeah, this will almost fit in there if I take out that ridge, that corner, and that ridge. I was almost going to cut it and fit it this way, but I'd rather fit it this way. Then I could put the mounting plate across here and pin it down. Let's give it a shot with this bad boy. I take it back. They were $35 like 5 years ago. Now this one with higher cranking amps, or higher reserve capacity. I think the other option was like 25 reserve capacity. On this one it said 41. The other option with the lower reserve capacity was I think 41, and this one was 55. Let's hack this shit up. Use the old Leatherman. Hopefully I'm not cutting against metal. Alright, you gotta cut with the knife. Come on, you bitch. Alright, I don't even know how this is gonna work. Once I cut that out, I don't know if it can fall out. I'm just cutting it, I don't give a fuck. Alright, so far it's fitting in there. There's not much frame left. I guess this whole face here and this face here is still there. But yeah, I gotta cut out that little section. Goodness gracious, talk about a hack job. It'd be nice to just make a custom box, but I don't fucking got time for that shit. I'm in the mood. It's not mine. Save a little bit of money, hack this shit up. Let's go see if it'll go in. Alright. What's in so far? Yeah, it seems like it'll stay. Let's see. Alright, out with the old, in with the new. I was kind of hoping this would be pressing down on it a little bit tighter, so it's got some movement, but I don't think enough to be bouncing around. I can't really tell it's a hack job anymore. It's nice and hidden down there. All right, let's see. Oh shit. Oh yeah, finally. That is a much more affordable replacement when it goes out. I like it. Fits in the original box. Everything worked out. I wanted this to be quick, and it actually was. Next I gotta fix this fucking cable. It goes in here through this, and then this little bullet tip goes in there. and lets it spring outward so it closes. Broke off, so for now that's gonna stay there. But what I did notice, the like little factory nub came off. But my brother was saying that I could just get a bicycle cable, because this side is just clamped in with that Allen key. If I can get that loose, we'll cut off a brake cable from an old bicycle we got here. That should do the trick. Looks like my rubber boots ain't doing too hot. Maybe wrap some more electrical tape around that motherfucker. It lasted a while for being a quick batch. This one's doing better. Hell yeah, boy. Hell yeah, brother. All right. Well, for now to get in, I just gotta Ricky Bobby that shit. Fucking, these things are silly. They're good for doing shit around the yard. Wanna come? Well, get in here, you son of a gun. Yeehaw, let's go. Where's the other ones? Oh, there's another one. Come on. Where's Pepper? Pepper. There's Pepper. Hi, Pepper. There we go. You ready? You three fools.